Hey, Keith McCone here from Automotive Specialty Services, and I'm coming to you with my buddy here, Ryan. There's a few people that you want to trust in this world. I often say it's number one, your doctor, number two, your financial advisor, number three, the auto repair shop, and number four would be your insurance company. And that's why I asked Ryan. I've known Ryan for quite a long time, and Ryan's done such a great job for me with all my insurance, and that's why I wanted to introduce him to you. Ryan?
Thank you, Keith. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so I've been working in the insurance business for some years now. I work through Neverman Insurance Agency, which is in Westlake, Ohio. They've been in business since 1975. And we work with, being a broker, we work with 20 different companies that we can actually quote auto, home, boats, motorcycles, and all your other toys through. And they're all A-rated companies. So if you haven't taken a look at your insurance in a while, and I know most people don't, I'm the one that looks at it, all the time, and most people just put it away. And you want a review,
good,
right? Right, exactly. And if you want a review of that, please let me know. Give me a call, or you can email me. But my number is 440-871-5620. Again, 440-871-5620. Or you can email me at ryan@nevermaninsurance.com. I will be happy to take a look at your insurance policies, and I will tell you if you're in a good place and you shouldn't switch, or if you need to take a look because we've got some better opportunities out there for you. And frankly, if you just need somebody who is a client advocate and you have questions and you're afraid to ask your current insurance broker or insurance agent, I'd be happy to just answer those for you and be, again, your client advocate.
And I think one of the biggest things, Ryan, you just mentioned is like there's 20 different programs that you might work with. And the thing that's great about that is that there's no one size shoe fits all. I mean, if you've got a motorcycle, you need a product for that, or if you've got a second home or a camper, there's a separate product for that. I know I made a mistake. I had one insurance company and everybody tried to lump everything under that one insurance company rather than looking at different options. And that's what you do so well. And that's why I wanted to introduce you guys to Ryan again. Give him that phone number again.
Yeah, so my phone number is 440-871-5620. I am the only Ryan in the office, so they'll send you right to me. And then if you rather email, it's ryan@nevermaninsurance.com. Neverman's NEVERMAN insurance.com.
If you're looking for an honest second opinion, Ryan's your guy. Again, we appreciate your business very much. And if anytime I run across any business out there that can bring any value to you, I'm going to make sure I get them on these videos here and send them out to you right away. Again, we appreciate your business.
Thank you, Keith.